Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you something I've been working on for a little while. So I knew as a full-time content creator, I wanted to do more digital downloads. That was one of my goals, to give you guys a lot of different things that you could download to help you with print on demand. And so I did a poll about a few weeks ago. And as you can see, the most popular one was 100 prompts. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna share with you 100 prompts that I've been working on, and I was trying to figure out what's the best way to do this. And I thought, because I do design with Detour, that I could just take all of those things that you've seen before, the ones that I've posted. I do this ABCD thing that you've seen. So for January, for example, I'm going to give you all the prompts for each of the days. So I put together a doc file and a PDF file, and this is what it looks like. You can see each page is a different day, and each day has 4 different prompts. So in total, you just times 31 days by 4 different prompts, and it becomes over 100. So even with 28 days, the lowest one, 29 days for February this year, there was still over 100 prompts. So I'm going to do one for every month, for every day, 4 of them for every day, and I'm going to break them up into months just like I did the design with Detour. So what I wanted to show you in this video is what it looks like, and we're going to play it out. We're going to take the prompts and use it for Midjourney, Leonardo, and Ideogram, and ChatGPT, and see what they turned out to be. Hopefully they turned out really good. I haven't tried them yet. We're going to try them live on this video. All right, so here's the January 2024 prompts. You can see the first page is just the prompts that I use, and you can get this for free. But this is not going to be for free. I'm just going to show you what they are. This is what they look like. January 2, January 3, and so on. And we're going to try these out. So this one right here is January 1st. This will be free for you if you want to take a screenshot and stuff. We're going to use this one right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use it. So come in here and just highlight it like that. And I'm going to hit Command C, and we're going to go into Midjourney, into Leonardo, Ideogram, and ChatGPT, and we're going to see what this looks like. So I gave you a little picture here just to show you what turned out for me. And these are way too small to use for print on demand. So when you buy this, make sure not to use this for print on demand. And what you're buying is the prompts, not the actual graphics. But the graphics, I think, help to show you like what came up for me, so that you probably will get something similar. And it's not going to be exact, but it should have a banana in this case with sunglasses, right? So this one's really small. I'm going to show you some other ones that are really long, and let me see if I can go through. Yeah, like look at this one. This Mardi Gras one is super long. So there's some prompts that are super long and detailed, and there's other prompts that don't need to be very detailed, because this is very simple, a cartoon banana with sunglasses, right? So again, these aren't the ones that I wrote. These are the ones that ChatGPT wrote, and because an AI wrote it, I'm hoping that it's also going to work on other AI platforms. That's what we're going to test out today in this video, and let's see what happens. So I already copied this one. Again, double click, highlight over the whole thing, Command C, copy, and we're going to Command V it in the other prompt. So let's go to Midjourney right now and see what happens. So here I am on Midjourney Alpha, right? We don't have to do the /imagine. We can just paste it, Command V. So this is the one with the sticker, the banana with sunglasses, right? And let's see what happens. I'm gonna hit enter. I didn't do any filters. I probably should have said, okay, it's 1 by 1 square, perfect, fast, turbo. Okay, great. And here we are. I'm gonna go to create, and you can see someone that I've done before, and there is that prompt that I did. We're just gonna test to see what this prompt might look like in Midjourney. Now it's set to do a sticker, just like I wanted it to do in ChatGPT. So it has the white background, the white border, so it's easy to cut out. And let's see what Midjourney does. Yeah, so pretty similar, right? This one right here, you can see is pretty similar to the one that I did. And I think this could be good on a t-shirt. Very different style, because ChatGPT has a different style than Midjourney, but still pretty good, right? So I'm gonna X out of there. Let's go into Ideogram and see what happens there. All right, so this is Ideogram.ai. I'm on the Explore page, same thing, works the same way. I can hit Command V and paste that. You can see the same prompt right here. I got 1 by 1, we're just gonna do auto. We're not going to do any of this stuff. You could, but we're just going to keep it really simple and hit generate. And this one also, like Midjourney, is going to give us 4 designs here. It's going to take a little bit, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, so here you go. Ideogram is just a little bit different. I like this one right here, even though I think that should be white because it's peeled open, but you can hit it again. But the nice thing I like about these prompts is that they're made for stickers. So they have this white background that you can easily click on in Photopea or Photoshop or whatever you have, and then delete the background, right? Or in Photopea, you could kind of draw over it with white and then use a delete background in Canva or whatever other ones. I think Kiddo has delete backgrounds and all those. So here's the 4. That one's kind of cool. That one's kind of neat. They're more hand drawn, and so you may want to put more stylistic things in there, but I think, you know, these could be used. So let's try one more. Let's try Leonardo. So here we are on Leonardo.ai or app.leonardo.ai, and it looks a little bit different than what I've shown before. They've upgraded a ton. Good stuff. I should probably make a new video for it. But what we want to do is go to image generation. You'll see that I've been playing around with Biden. Not as important anymore since he's dropped out, but we're going to type in the prompt here, and all I have to do is put V, Command V, and you can see there. So let's see what this comes up with. I have all these set kind of just the standard 1 by 1, large, and so on, and let's generate. And by default, this one does 4, but you can definitely just do 1 if you wanted to. Probably would have saved me some tokens there, but that's okay. I wanted to show you the different looks of it, and let's see what it looks like. So here we go, the bananas. Let me click on these so you can see more. That one's okay. I like the way that it drew it, but it's not like, I wish it was straighter. Let's see. That one's kind of weird. I didn't like that one. This one kind of put a banana and glasses together, but it's not wearing the glasses, which is interesting. And that one's not either. So I don't know. ChatGPT seems to feel like the better one. Let's go to ChatGPT. I know this was the last one, but I'm going to try ChatGPT and see what happens. So I'm on here. I like using Sticker Whiz, but let's try it without Sticker Whiz and see the difference. So I'm going to do Command V here. And it's thinking about it. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes back. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. I could use that. Let's see what it looks like with Sticker Whiz. I'm going to go Command V right there and hit enter. Same prompt we've been using this whole time. And remember, there's 100 of these, so it should be good. Yeah, so not exactly like the one I showed. Mine came out really good, but yeah, you can hit it again and see what happens. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. That's kind of the thing with AI. Like if I do it again, let's see what it comes up with. So this one's a little more fun. So, you know, the thing I like about ChatGPT is you can keep running it. You pay for a whole month, and it's not like token based where it's you run out of tokens for a while. So you pay for it and you can do it over and over again. And this one could get some little cleanup, like in ChatGPT, you can come in here and brush this out here and say, I don't want the banana peeled. Let's try that. I'm gonna move my head here. So I typed in, I don't want the banana peeled, and I'm gonna hit go, and let's see what happens. So we're back. ChatGPT actually wanted to know which response is better. So we can decide here. I actually think this one's better. It looks like ears, but both of them added it here, and I didn't want either of those things, but to look at this side by side, I would think this one's better. Well, this one's easier to remove though because it's white there. Well, I'm gonna pick this one. And I think that's the one that's better because I can come in here and just delete that part and delete that part, and it's still good. So I think out of all of them, I still like ChatGPT, but you can see you can use it on all the other ones. So there you go. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you to see how to use this digital download that I'm gonna share with you. Now, this digital download is 100 prompts, and I was trying to figure out like what's the right price for that. And I was hoping $10 is the right price because it's 31 pages, or at the lowest one is 29 pages, and it took me a long time to build these, and I'm gonna do a bunch of them for each month, but 100 prompts on there where you can just copy and paste and you can see the picture with it. I think that's a pretty good price. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm going to put it on my digital downloads page, so you're going to see it here. I only have January right now, but I'm working on all the other months. If there's something else that you want to see as prompts, maybe it's a miscellaneous thing, maybe it's all prompts for a certain topic, let me know that in the comments too. I want to make sure that I'm providing the best value and the best digital downloads that you wanted, that we talked about. When it said 100 prompts, I wasn't exactly sure what you wanted, but I think this is a great way to do it, just to follow the design with detour. Since I already have them and since you can see what they look like, I think that's really helpful too, to see what is this prompt supposed to look like when it's done, instead of just having the words. So thanks again for watching. Go check out my digital downloads and you'll see January there, and hopefully it's something that works out for you and can help you in Q4, where you can design a lot more things and just get ready. That's why I wanted to do this, is to help you get ready for Q4, because that's the best time to get some sales, is during the holidays. And a lot of these design with detours are more evergreen, and so hopefully they get more sales. So thanks again for watching, and as always guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one.